vuka udla nginibingele egameni lika Jesu Kuseni. Sikhuluma phasi kwesihloko lesithi what the Bible say about health egameni lika Jesu. Lithini liBhayibheli ngekuphila impilo le healthy egameni lika Jesu. Namhlanje ke sifuna kubuka lokuthi uthini ke umbhalo ngekudliwa kwepork noma ke ngekwengulube. Uma sifunza incwadi ya Deuteronomy chapter number 14 verse number 8 aphinze futhi ayifakaze Leviticus 11 verse 7 na 8 creator lapho uthi ipork number 1 it's unclean for you, it is unclean, ingcolile. Number 2 lelo verse lelo uthi do not eat its flesh, ungayidli inyama yepork. Uyagcizelela creator uthi ungayidli inyama yepork. Number 3 lakhuluma kulelo verse lelo uthi do not touch their carcasses, ungasithinzi sidumbu sayo. Le nyama ungakuthinzi akusiko good for you, unclean for you egameni lika Jesu. Mane ke thine bantu basemhlabeni including nami ekhathi siyakudisobey the instruction yaNkulunkulu, siyayidisobey the instruction ya creator egameni lika Jesu. Aze avete Nkosi yami Isaiah 65 verse number 3 na verse number 4 athi uNkulunkulu aka ngalabantu labadla ingulube. God is unhappy with people who eat swine egameni lika Jesu. Azaphindza ayiphinze Nkosi yami nawufunza le chapter lelandzelako chapter 66 ufunze 15 na 17 lo mprofeti lo uphinze ayiphinze lento ayichaze kangcono Nkosi yami athi creator will deal with the swine and mice eaters egameni lika Jesu. Uthi uNkulunkulu usetawudilisha nalabantu labadla ingulube baphindze badle nemagundwane inzabe emagundwane egameni lika Jesu. Ipork utawubuka mhlambe lenyama noma mhlambe utawubuka lesilwane but kufake ekhathi bo bacon, kufake ekhathi bo ham, ufake ekhathi bonke labo pork based sandwiches egameni lika Jesu. Uthi uNkulunkulu it is unclean. Mhlambe umuntu asekavete nje ke ngale pork. Abantu abakethu ipork le inamafutha lamanengi la contributako ku coronary artery disease. Lamafutha ayangena la kule mithambo yethu leya enhlitiweni, le mithambo labaningi bethu bayagula, banabo heart disease, banabo heart attack because of pork. Lamafutha ayo ayahlupha, ayastaka la, ayayivala le mithambo iblockeke. Hallelujah. Number 2 phela ukhumbule ukuthi ipork noma ke ipigi ingulube yadalwa specifically to be a scavenger. Umsebenzi wayo lomkhulu it is to clean the earth. Umsebenzi wayo ngulo. That is why yona idla noma ngayile dibana nayo, ikhanza lugongolo iyalidla, ikhanza ini noma yini okulaphasi iyadla, uyikhanze machaphotini, uyikhanze igubhuluta lapha nalapha, ngisho ubekela uswane phasi nayifikile ingulube ifike iludle. Oh hallelujah. Futhi lo nyaka ngifuna ukunake nako ukuthi science isitshela lokuthi ingulube idigesta kudla within 4 hours even before toxins are destroyed. Yona isuke seyikukhiphile ngephandle egameni lika Jesu. Ayidzingi ukuze igaye njengami njoba ngigaya kudla 24 hours. Yona within 4 hours segayile sekukhiphile futhi. As scavengers, they clean the environment by eating even their excrements. La ithoye khona iphindze ibuyele ingulube iyodla khona. That is why God asked it is unclean. They are surely not good for human consumption. Hayi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngoba ngingayidlini but ngibeka la maqiniso egameni lika Jesu. Ipork lengcolile abantu abakethu noma ama products ekho abanga nale sibita trichinosis. The trichinosis bantu abakethu sikhuluma nge-infestation of trichina larvae that are transmitted by eating inadequately cooked pork. egameni likaJesu lelele kwetibungu lelava migrate from the intestinal tract to the muscles where they become encysted egameni likaJesu lelele tibungwanyana letincane tale pork tibese longeke utibone ngemehlo enyama tiyahamba nalesisu tihambe nalamathumbu tize tiyofika le emamaseleni ukhanze umuntu esegula egameni likaJesu lokunye lengakuveta ngendzaba yepork ikakhulu ngendzaba yebacon le bacon bantu abakethu nale ham uma ike yahlangana nema-nitrates egameni likaJesu labo dokotela baveta lokwekuthi ibese iyakha lokuthile lekuthiwa yi-cancer lanengi-ke ema-American celebrities la afe emva kokube adle kakhulu ipork egameni likaJesu sinalo lelo themba lalokuthi sitawusitakala angiphindze ngivete lokuthi noma ngabe Paul uke wafike wathi dlanini konke lokuthengiswa silaheni ngenxa yanembeza but akasho ukuthi it is now clean uthi ngenxa yanembeza wenu ngoba vele niyakufuna lokhu kudla kudleni imnazi inyama yepork nami ngiyayidla but ngifuna lokukhuluma leqiniso la kini tithathele nina sincumo ngoba senimvile uNkulunkulu ukuthi uthideni it is unclean no matter lokuthi ukhanzela ivesi wakhanza kuthini lo mnyazi angikhothele ukuthi kwathi wahlaba udle priest abe athi kahle kahle ukuthi uNkulunkulu was not talking about meat but abe khuluma ngekwekuthi ema-Gentiles sangamemukela Jesu akasafanele alahle but ipork yona it is unclean for you. Asibonane nakusasa abantu abakethu sitawukhuluma-ke uthini-ke umbhalo nge-seafood uthini-ke lo mdali the creator nge-seafood egameni likaJesu.